Welcome back. Let's dive in and get you all set up. Your next step is to create your very own Midjourney account. Simply head over to midjourney.com and click on Join the Beta. Once you click on Join the Beta, you will be getting this screen, and here you need to provide display name. For my case, I have given a display name. Now click on Continue. Then you will get this screen. Click on Checkbox. This will give you some puzzle to solve to validate whether you are human or a bot. For my case, it is asking to find the central area of the pattern. Once you do that, click on Verify. Now you will get this screen. It will ask for your birthday details. Provide your details. And click Done. Now next you need to claim this account by giving your email details. Once you provide the email details, then you will receive an email for verification. For my case, I have already claimed my Midjourney account with this email. Hence I am getting this error. But I will show you the experience using my another email. So let me do that by pausing the video for a while. So guys, welcome again. Now guys, this is the pop-up I got for my another email, as my this account is not claimed. Hence it accepted by Midjourney. You are also going to get the same. So guys, in the next step, let's verify through email to complete the process. Make sure to also install the Discord desktop app by clicking on the blue button. I will do in the background while pausing the video. You will do the same. Once you've verified your email, you will get email verified confirmation. So guys, you will see that we have got this exe to install app. Make sure that you also install it by double click on it. Once installed, you will get this screen to specify your email and password to log in. Once logged in, you will get this screen with the green button to accept TOC. TOC stands for Terms and Condition. Let's click on it. After TOC acceptance, you will be these two buttons, one to start tutorial and another one to skip it. Click on Start Tutorial. You will get an example where it is showing Imagine prompt for Vibrant California Pop. After this, we will be getting 4 similar kind of images with U1, U2, U3, U4 button. Don't worry about all these. We are going to cover all these details in our upcoming sessions. Now let's proceed to the community section of the Midjourney, where we will see different rooms where people are generating their own images. So let's click on the Midjourney icon. This will load different rooms like Newbies 23, Newbies 53. Let's go into one of the rooms. You will find many messages with images coming. All these are generated by different people who is part of this community and who is inside this room. Let's look into one of the image and click on one of the button called U3 and see what messages we are getting. You will notice that we are not able to do that because we don't have subscription to perform all these action. And that is what our topic for next session, where we will learn about pricing plan of Midjourney and then opt for one of the plans to work throughout the course. For this session, we are done with the environment setup, where we will perform all our course exercises. But to perform all exercises, we need Midjourney subscription plan that you will join through URL, which I have given in description section. Just to give you heads up, Midjourney subscription is prerequisite for this course. But this is really worthwhile, as we are going to learn a skill which will enable us for passive income. That details I will also cover with the help of project, where I show you how to generate stock images and videos that you can sell at anywhere like Adobe Stock Photos and all. So stay tuned with this course till end to learn this. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So on this note, I am stopping over here. See you in the next session.